What it do, good people? Okay, listen, y'all. Two major things happening with this recipe. My sister sent me a picture of an Oreo Bundt cake that went viral. And as soon as I saw the watermark on the picture, I was like, I know who made that. Kimmy's Creation made that. Y'all, Kimmy, I started following her during the pandemic. And she makes some awesome recipes. Not only does she bake, she cook, like she does it all, right? So y'all know me. I'm going to do mine the shortcut way. Rules to the game. Listen to this. I messaged her on Instagram and asked, can I hack this? Because I don't like stealing nobody's content. Now, recipes are put out there to be created and followed, recreated and followed. However, I'm remixing it, but the original creator is her, so I wanted to give her credit. So let's get into it. Perfectly moist white. I like white, especially if you want to add food color in, or you just want to absorb more flavor in whatever you're baking. I find these a lot at Food Line, to be honest. Like Walmart has the worst selection of Duncan Hines. Let me just say that. Like, this is how it's very insulting to somebody if you don't follow a person and know their, I wouldn't say know their life, but just follow them and you just hop on the video and comment. Well, I can't stay on the chair or anything like that, baby. I'm an amputee. So if that bothers you, go ahead and log off. So because I got 2 boxes of mix to my bowl, because I'm making a higher cake in my deep bundt pan, and then I'm going to make some mini bunts. But if you're making one, then you go in with 1 cup of your liquid and 3 eggs. To this cake today, I want half and half. I don't want the richness of the heavy cream to make it super dense. I want it light. I want it fluffy because we don't want the cookies to fall to the bottom. So I'm going with half and half. I got 6 eggs, and if you're doing 1 cake, you want to do 3. And remember, 1 cup of half and half. And then this is the star of the show, the Oreo cookies and cream instant pie filling pudding type of deal. Got it from Walmart. Remember, we're doing half and half because we're going to add some other stuff for moisture. I got vanilla bean paste over there. I got my butter and I got some sour cream. But right now, you want to go ahead and give this a mix for a minute on medium and then like a minute and a half on high. Nothing fancy. If y'all my A1s from day ones, y'all know. Always stop and scrape the bowl, baby. She kind of thick. Even if she ain't too thick, you want everything well incorporated. This is what she looking like right now without the butter. And I must say, it looks really, really good, y'all. Y'all know I'm all beings with a C. Cakes, candles, couponing, coffee bougie, cleaning. Somebody brought that to my attention on TikTok the other day. I'm like, oh yeah, that is me. But this is a fast one, y'all. So to this, I want to add a little sliver of vanilla bean paste. That's probably too much, but y'all know. I got this one off of the Hispanic Food Out, and I must say it's very concentrated and fragrant. I like it. But like I said, going home this weekend, this is for my sister. So sour cream, we're not going with our usual suspects, which is like 2/3. We're going to go with 2 cereal spoon size, just enough to give us a little bit of moisture. Now, when it comes down to the cookies, I went ahead and got the minis and crushed them. This is 2 boxes of cake mix. So I did 2 containers of these. If not, do 1. Take some big ones, crush them. However you like. But you got the pudding that got the Oreo the Oreo pieces in there. This we dust with flour because we want it to swirl and sit up throughout the batter. We don't want it to sink to the bottom, so we're going to put this in last. Now, we need your butter. We like butter, baby. You know, some cakes we do oil, some we do butter, depending on your budget. Even if you had to use oil, go ahead and use the vegetable oil. I don't recommend margarine, never, ever, ever. Unsalted butter, I'm going with 3/4, okay? Seems like a lot, but this is a big cake. If you're doing 1 box of cake mix, then go ahead and hit yourself with 1/3. Y'all know how sometimes we normally do 2/3, which would be 1/3 twice. I don't need all that extra moisture because we added some sour cream, if that makes sense. And we did half and half. So your density, you want it to be right. Just follow the measurements. Remember, written instructions always in the description box. So I'm trying to give y'all somewhat of an aerial view, but I can't get my tripod to go up no higher. So I'm going to go ahead and drop all the cookies in. That's mixed in the flour. And we're going to do one of these. We gonna fold. We folding. We folding. We folding. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. All right, I am here with the final verdict, the final product, and this is what she is looking like. Remember I said I was making some mini buns. That cake mix was enough to give me this high cake, this mini bun. Actually, I got 2 mini buns. I gave one to the neighbor already, and y'all know I keep a matching candle somewhere. And I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Bye. We trap bingo tonight, y'all.